Homemade keto bagel bites are very simple to make. Take 1 cup of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of Greek yogurt, mix it all up and knead it for a few minutes, then roll them into bite-sized balls. Now roll them in everything bagel seasoning and put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And when you're done, you get these homemade bagel bites.
These are fresh out of the oven and so freaking delicious. Keto cream cheese bagel bites with everything but the bagel seasoning. Super simple recipe, y'all. You're going to start with shredded mozzarella cheese and cream cheese. Melt in the microwave and stir together. Add an egg, almond flour, and baking powder and knead together. Using your hand works best. Just make sure to keep them wet. Place cream cheese in the middle, roll into balls. This recipe makes 8 to 10 depending on the size you're making. Dip in the egg white and roll into the seasoning. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes.
Hundreds of recipes like this are this free keto cookbook. Click the link and claim it now.